बनाएंगे चॉकलेट फज ब्राउनी। इस ब्राउनी की रेसिपी मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड स्नेहा से ली है एंड वो बहुत ही अच्छी बेकिंग करती है एंड आई एम नॉट दैट ग्रेट इन बेकिंग, सो दिस ब्राउनी रेसिपी इज ऑल हर्स।
So let's start. We'll take 1.5 cup of maida,
हाफ टी स्पून कॉफ़ी, 3 टीस्पून कोको पाउडर, हाफ टी स्पून बेकिंग पाउडर, we need a pinch of salt to make the taste more sharp, 2 pinches of baking soda. If you don't have baking soda, you can use Eno.
so we are done with dry ingredients. Now we'll start with our liquid ingredients. So for that, first we need 1 cup of melted chocolate, add 1/3 cup of melted butter,
The butter is hot, so I'm trying to cool it down. So I'll mix it for a while and then we'll add our next ingredient.
once the mixture cools down, we'll add 1 cup of powdered sugar.
Now we will add a cup of curd. This will help to make the brownie more fudgy.
Try to remove lumps at every stage.
Let's add our dry ingredient.
If you notice, after adding the dry ingredients, our mixture has become a bit dry. So to mix it well, we'll add a cup of milk,
Try to remove lumps as much as possible. We'll also keep adding water whenever needed. Using beater here. So if you love baking, please buy one. It really makes your life easy. I'm adding few drops of vanilla essence. Add water whenever you feel the need and your batter should be pourable. So add enough water. Now we'll grease the container with butter. Keep the butter paper on the bottom so that it is easy for you to remove the brownie when it's baked. Now it's time to pour the batter in the container. See, this is the right consistency that we need for our brownie batter. You can add your favorite toppings. So I'm adding my favorite, that is chocolate chunks and some roasted walnuts. I'm making this brownie in microwave. So I've selected the convection option and preheating my oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and I'll bake it for 25 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. अगर आपके पास ओवन नहीं है तो आप एक कंटेनर गरम कर लीजिए 5-10 मिनट के लिए। उसके बाद उसमें स्टैंड डालिए और ये जो चॉकलेट फज ब्राउनी की कंटेनर है उसमें डाल के उस बर्तन को ढक लीजिए, तो आपका चॉकलेट फज ब्राउनी उसमें भी बेक हो जाएगा। हमारा फज ब्राउनी तो बन चुका है और मैंने इसमें डाला है चॉकलेट सिरप। अगर आपको मेरी रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो तो आप प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कीजिए। Thank you.